So, give you an update since we've come back from the barn doing the suspension work. I finished up putting the Ron Francis wiring harness, got all that routed, taped, and we were able to fire it up. Runs good. It's open headers. I got to get to the exhaust shop for that. I put the VO switch in, which we have a video on about already, that's going to control all my accessories. And the biggest thing we were doing now is taking care of the wheel wells. Since the axle's back 9 inches, we literally cut the rear section of the factory wheel well, moved it back, and then I added in about 8 inches to fill the gap. We had it full bumped, the tire just tucks in, and we got about probably a ½ inch clearance on everything. And then I'm not done over here. I still have to do the fabricate all the sheet metal filler neck. For now, we're going to have an access hole right here, just in the meantime, until I figure out if I actually want to have a filler on the outside. If we do put a filler on the outside, we're probably going to get I think John Sherwin was telling me something about the Jeep. The JKs have one that I can put anywhere on the outside, and we can run a hose right down to it. So that's where we're at. Hopefully here sometime during this coming week, we'll get it to the exhaust shop, get exhaust made, and we'll be one step closer to taking it out. That hissing noise sounds like it's an issue.
Yeah, do it again and I'll see if I can feel where it's at. Now I can tell it's at top somewhere.
Yeah, it's like coming out from underneath the upper intake.
Do it again.
All right, fingers clear?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so here's microsquirt. I actually have John's tune installed in my
Computer?
My computer, sure. And I opened up the TPS a little bit more. The base throttle, so I'm going to recalibrate TPS because it's reading 2% right now. So tools and calibrate TPS. That's the idle count, get current. Then wide open throttle, get current, accept, let go, and now we're at 0.1, which I'm good with. So now I'm going to have Mackenzie go walk out front again, and I'm going to fire it up again and see what we have.
Okay. Okay.
So fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Still hear the hissing though.
I do hear the hissing.
Maybe that's not an issue, but
I don't see anything. I hear it, but I don't see it. At least not in my position.
all starting it back up.
Okay.
I know right now the air fuel gauge isn't going to be accurate. It's just shoved in one of the tailpipes.
Will you be adjusting later?
Stall because I did that? Support
That's right.
Let's support equal.com where they do.
That's right.
Where Duff's come from. They're not.
Don't see this. That's just a child.
Make those look.
Everything's in there.
They don't just sell those. They need to sell just those.
Back to -4. That's close enough.
Does it feel like that upper hose is hot yet?
Warm is all.
Warm, so it's probably not open yet.
No, it feels empty.
Burn's not lit up, okay.
So this is balls and all that stuff, and then I'll just get my mouth right there too. own bracket.
About touching.
Yeah, and what you don't see.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like what you don't see is right there. Which is, that's the area that we need to cut out and move back.
So where do you have it marked out inside? To where it's flat right here?
Yes, that
That's-
one,
that's
ri-
as
that
far
one
as we need to
ridge.
What are you looking at that you're?
Right up in here.
Oh,
So
okay.
this area is going to be cut out to move it back.
Okay. That's good.
I got my expertise body man.